Hello, my name is Jebefala. I am currently a staff at Elwin Group Home, located in Media. Elwin has been an institution that has been around for a couple of years now. Elwin is there serving individuals with intellectual disabilities from all walks of life, all ages, races, and what have you. And at Elwin, they run a day program, a resident program, as well as programs in the communities. They also have a vocational program where clients go into their job, work, show their skills, their professional skills, what they are good at, what they do, at Elwin we do all of that. So today I am going to be serving as a therapist for one of the clients from Elwin, and she's none other but Miss Alice. Miss Alice, she's 20 years old. She's currently living with her parents and her younger sibling. Alice, a female client that was born with a Down syndrome. And Alice met me. She talked about her presenting problem. And this presenting problem has to do with conflict between she and her parents and also transitioning to a new job. So she's faced with this problem. She wants us to talk about it. So in this video, we're going to be discussing of this problem, and we're also going to be coming up with solutions together. I'm not going to be doing it all by myself. I'm not going to be imposing on her. We're going to do it as a team. We're going to work together and discuss it and come up with a solution that will satisfy her. Because my goal for this therapy session with Alice is to be able to work with Alice and come up with a solution in order to have her satisfied and also be concerned about her safety as well as we go on with this video. So in this video, as we're about to start, I'm going to call on Miss Alice so we can commence the therapy session. Hi, Miss Alice. Can you come over, please?
Hello.
Hello, Miss Alice. How are you? That's a beautiful smile. I like that.
Yeah.
Okay, how you been doing? Has everything with you? So,
Uh, I'm doing good,
oh, that's good. Sounds
but
good. Sounds good.
it's just I don't
And why did you say that you don't know about I wanted to talk? We this is a meeting that we're planning to talk, right? And
know.
you say you wanted us to have a meeting and talk about some issues that you are faced with. So what is it that you want us to talk about today? So can we talk about it now?
Sure. It's just that I've been having a conflict with my parents
Okay.
because they don't understand where I'm coming from, so they kind of just want to impose on me, and that's not something I would like them to do. So
Okay.
recently, I've had an interview at a job at a college coffee shop,
Mm-hmm.
and but I've been working at Elwyn for a couple of years doing a vacation job, volunteering there,
Okay.
and it's something that my parents were really supportive about. They're really the best parents,
That's good. Sounds good.
but it's just that this situation now, they don't want me to go out and work at this college coffee shop, and it's just upsetting me, and I don't know what to do.
So that's the conflict now between you and your parents. So concerning is it concerning the job, the new job,
Yes,
transitioning from Elwyn vocational job and going to the college coffee shop to work. Is what the problem is, right? So
yes.
have you talked about it with them before, a couple of times that it seems to not be working?
Yes, I've talked to them about this whole situation
Hmm.
because I felt like that was the best thing to do was to have a conversation with them.
Okay.
So when we did have this conversation, they brought up some really good points as to Elwyn being a safe environment for me to be
Okay.
in, safe and comfortable for me because I'm with people that are like me.
Okay.
But I understand where they're coming from, but I also want to go out, move outside of that safe bubble that I've been in before, and go out to work at this college coffee shop because I feel as though this is going to be a amazing opportunity and experience for me. I'm really, really like I'm super excited, super positive about this. I'm really ready to start this job. And having this new opportunity, I believe is going to give me the experience that is going to set me up for success. And just because at a coffee shop, especially college, you're going to have people coming in, day out, different people from different backgrounds, different race. And it's just going to be a really nice opportunity to interact with people that's not like me. And I think that's something that I need at this time, just to interact and have conversations with different people. That's going to make me really happy. But they don't understand that. And while we had this conversation with both my parents and I breaking in what we think having this new job, how is that going to affect me? It has brought about some tension in the house. Before all this conversation of me wanting to go work at this coffee shop at the college, my parents were really supportive of me. We were happy. But now the house is not as comfortable as it used to be before in the household. And it's sad and it's upsetting to me.
Okay. If I may ask, concerning the job, because of we just talked about the conflict aspect between you and your parents. So what about this job? Because one of your concerns was your plan for the job, right? If I may ask, that was one of your concerns. So what are your plans concerning this new job? What are your plans?
So I've had my first interview with the job, and my second interview with the OVR is in a couple of weeks. But my parents want me to cancel the interview, and that's not something I'm planning on doing. I'm absolutely not going to do that because
Can
I'm
I ask you a
passionate.
question? Do they know about the the interview that you had already and the second one that's coming up?
Yes, they're aware of it. That's why they want me to cancel the second one that's coming up. But that's not something I'm willing to do because I'm very determined about this job,
Okay.
and I really want to go through with it and just get it and have the experience of being outside of Elwyn, have the experience of being with different people and just interacting with different people.
So that's your plan that you want to go out there. So you want to transition from Elwyn and go to the coffee shop and work with other people that you have not been working with, have the experience with them. Is that what you're talking about?
Yes.
Because I want you to just tell me all your plans that you already have for this job so we can know what your plans are concerning the job and we can work from there. We can talk about the plans. So when we're going to meet your parents, we can better, put it on the table before then together, and then we can discuss it together and be able to resolve this together because we are we're going to respect, trust me, I give you the assurance that we're going to respect your decision. That's the decision you want to make. And all of the plans that you have concerning the job, we're going to continue to talk about it and resolve it together and come to one and have one common goal that everybody is going to be happy. So uh, those are all the plans concerning the job that you just talked about, or what other plans do you have
This is the plan I have as of right
as a plan to go work out there with another people, experience another people? But like you said your parents they are concerned about people. They are concerned about you being protected. Like that's what you said, right?
now.
And
Yes.
they are concerned that when you go out there, many people might make mockery out of you. Is that what you said? But you have took all of that into consideration and you want to do your job.
Yep, I have.
You have made up your mind, you're positive about it, that you want to do this job.
Yes.
Okay, Alice, I appreciate all of your concerns and I appreciate your time. I appreciate whatever you just said. So I've been a therapist. We want to work out from there. We want to set up another meeting with the parents. And in this meeting, we're going to discuss the plan concerning your job. Meaning we're going to talk about the relationship aspect of the main focus point. The focus there is the job. That's your because in I'm like I have to like respect your decision, and I have to work towards your decision as much. I will also be looking at your safety. Safety. We're also going to look. I mean, respect your decision. If you that's good, you self-determined about it. We're going to go for it, and we're going to work on it along with you and your parents. So, you want, I mean, are you sure you want us to talk with them again? You're going to appreciate having another meeting with them. Okay, Miss Alice, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for this meeting, for this session. So I look forward to seeing you in the next meeting with the parents. So thank you so much, and I appreciate you. Thank you. I hope you enjoy my video.